Let me tell you a few effects of your actions. क्योंकि बहुत बार क्या होता है, we may know a lot about karma yoga, we have heard of this and that, but basic thing about karma we do not know. Whenever you perform a work, certain effects are thrown out. Usually you don't pay attention to the effects. See, now suppose you are studying for an assignment and your friend comes and says he wants to be helped with something, some mathematics problem. You help that friend. Now you don't think of anything beyond helping him, isn't it? He asked for help, you helped him. Now in this small action of helping your friend in his particular problem, you know how many effects are being thrown out. With this example, let me tell you the effects. You see, the very first effect is you helped your friend, उसने अच्छा किया अपने exam में, so that is the good fruit of that action. That by helping your friend, there's an external effect, he did well in his exam. You know only this much. Usually the external effect is visible, isn't it? Any work you do, if you sweep this room, the room will be swept. You helped your mother with her laundry, that will got cleaned. That external effect is visible. But इसके साथ और एक चीज भी हुई है. With what motive you helped your friend, that has become a sanskar in your mind. Please try to see this. आपने जिस motive से आपके friend को help किया, that has become a strong mental impression in your mind. See, you might have helped your friend because he is your friend, isn't it? He asked for help. So this friendship, caring, sharing, this became a sanskar in your mind. ये आपको help करेगा, आपको generous बनाएगा. Generosity became your nature as a result of that action. Or you might have helped that friend because your teacher told you to help him. So then here, what will be the sanskar in your mind? Obedience to the teacher, not friendliness. That became a sanskar in your mind. Or you might have helped your friend because just expecting that, well, when I have a problem, he will help me. Then barter became a sanskar in your mind. You understand? आपका motive क्या था उस action के पीछे? Accordingly, your sanskars are created. That is why Bhagavad Gita में बार बार बोलते हैं intention and motive is so important. That is the internal effect of that particular work. Any work has two effects. External effect is visible. You get the external effect immediately. Kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja. Immediately you know the external effect. The internal effect is it has generated a very good, very solid mental impression for you. A sanskar has been created in your mind. This is the second effect of the work. And there is a third effect also, which is not at all visible. What is the third effect? It's called a cosmic effect. उसको कर्माशय कहते हैं. इसका मतलब है, if you do a good act with a good intention, at some point of time it will come back to you. When you need help, you will get help. This is Newton's third law of motion, isn't it? For every action there is equal and opposite reaction. हम बहुत बार हम सोचते हैं, well, if I do a good action, what do I get out of it? You see, this third law, third aspect of this, it is irrefutable. Whatever force you put into motion, it is going to come back to you. It will naturally come back to you. What you sow, that you are going to reap. So this is the third effect of karma. इसको अदृष्ट कहते हैं क्योंकि ये दिखाई नहीं देता. You are not able to see this third effect of work. Why are you not able to see it? Because it's a cosmic effect. You have thrown out a positive force, it will come back to you at some point of time. You see, today you are in such good circumstances and situation. You are having such a wonderful education. All this is a result of very good karma in the past. Obviously, it comes back to you as good effects. At any point of time, it can come back to you. So you see, you have put these forces into motion. So what are the three effects of karma? First is the physical and immediate effect, the external effect. Okay, it's quite visible. The second effect is, it creates the sanskars in your mind. Action immediately creates your mental attitudes. Sanskar का मतलब क्या है? Mental impressions, attitudes, tendencies, traits. इसी को हम संस्कार कहते हैं. And the third effect is, you have put a force into motion which will come back to you at some point of time. Whether it's a positive action or negative action, you will get the effect of that action. At some point of time, at some point in space, it will come back to you. So these are the three effects of karma. ये preliminary है, ये आपको जानना चाहिए. Usually beyond the first effect, nobody goes. Your performance is most important. What you do, what you show, you will get results accordingly. Not just that much. The other two also are going to work for you. So be careful, be alert. किसी भी एक कर्म में ये तीनों effects होते हैं.